Hi guys, so I'm going to show you an estimate which has been created within Sidebook. So all these items which you're looking at have been pulled from the inbuilt rate library, and once the item is pulled you have the rate along with it, and the quantities have been either put manually or have been derived from drawings. So I'll show you an example of a flooring item. So all these you can, any architect or interior designer or contractor can create a work breakdown structure or different sections like these, and within these sections there are subsections, and all these items you're looking at have been added from the library. So just to show you an example, I'll add one item here. So once I put in 300, so all these items which are relevant items are shown to you, which are within the library, and we'll add one of these items, and then you have the rate. If I click here, you'll find out the assembly, material and labor assembly which goes into it along with the pricing. Now the quantity here has been derived from the drawings. So a CAD or a PDF file can be uploaded, and a tracing needs to be done. So tracing is something similar to drawing a polyline. So I'll just show it to you here. And once I click enter, the quantity has been added here. So the total quantity is 652 square feet for the traced portion. Now this is something which is very new in India. This is called digital estimation, and it's going to give the architect and interior designer a complete transparency of their estimate and the quantities of their item works. Parallelly, we've also got the bill of material. So this has been updated in the BOQ. Plus, we've got a bill of materials report here at a category level. Along with this, my bill of material report at a project level has also been updated. So if I just go here, I have all the material list which I'm going to require for my project. Now, there is also one more feature which I'll show you within the rate analysis library. So we've added this item which is internal plumbing inside toilet. The cost here is shown as close to 50,000. Here you have the material assembly along with the reference pricing. So I have an angle cock which is close to 550 rupees, and you have pricing of a Serra angle cock at 600, a Jaguar at 550, and a Hindware at close to 540. So a reference pricing, the architects and interior designers will also get a reference pricing of the materials they are going to use. Plus, as I mentioned earlier, the costing is shown as 49,800 rupees, and maybe this is an over budget pricing for the client. So the interior designer or architect can give an option to reduce the pricing. So I'm just going to click here on the alternatives option, click on below counter basin, and my cost is now reduced to 47,000. Along with this comes a feature for invoicing and for tracking payments. So if we go here, I have punched all the expenses and receipts till date. There's a very simple button here to punch the expenses or receipts. The first clarity which the clients get is at this very moment whether they are in profit or loss for that particular project. And secondly, I have an overview of the project where, let's assume I want to see what all payments are pending for Cityply. So I know that 55,000 is an unpaid expense. Or maybe I want to check what is the payment till date given in cash for Cityply. I'll just select these two options and I have an idea of what the payment till date was in cash for Cityply. Along with this is a very interesting feature which our clients love. So I'll select category as furniture, and now the software is telling me the estimated amount which has been taken from my estimate or quotation. These are the expenses I have punched, and this is a balance to spend. So I know that for this particular category, this is my expense versus estimate. So there's also a report you get, which is the expense summary report, wherein across all categories you'll get an idea whether you're in profit or loss. Along with all those features, there is multiple other features like work collaboration, where the admin can assign roles and rights. There's features like company insights, where you can get vendor wise payments. And there are self-learning videos here. So those users who organically sign up to Sidebook can view all the videos one by one and start using the app right away. Thank you.